Why do you wake up feeling like a heavy fog is clouding your mind every single morning? Your brain produces metabolic waste daily. This waste, if not properly cleared, can impact your memory and cognitive function, making simple tasks feel like impossible burdens. Imagine a city where the trash collectors never show up. Soon, the streets become impassable. This is what can happen inside your neural pathways. Science calls these metabolic leftovers beta-amyloid plaques. They are primary factors linked to neurological decline and the loss of clarity as we age. Tonight, we're going to learn how to support your body's own internal cleaning crew. I will show you how to target this process while you sleep. It is not just about rest. It is about providing the right biological triggers. We will explore 5 superfoods that act as catalysts for neural health. Every hour you spend in deep sleep is a golden opportunity for your brain to regenerate, but only if it has the necessary chemical building blocks. By the end of this guide, you will have a complete protocol to ensure your brain's night shift is the most productive part of your entire day. Welcome to the frontier of nutritional neuroscience. Let us unlock the secrets of the glymphatic system and the foods that power this waste network. Your brain is not a static organ. It is a dynamic landscape that requires constant maintenance and a specific set of nutrients to function at its peak. I am here to guide you through this journey of restoration. Prepare to support your nights and reclaim the sharp, vibrant mind you truly deserve to have. Meet the glymphatic system, your brain's miraculous waste disposal network. It is a hidden plumbing system that only truly springs to life when the world is quiet. During deep sleep, your brain cells actually shrink by 60%. This creates space for the cerebrospinal fluid to rush in and wash away buildup. This process is 10 times more active during sleep than while you are awake. It is a vital rinse that protects you from cognitive decline and challenges. But imagine the repair crew arrives and finds the warehouse empty. Without the right nutrients, the process stalls, leaving the waste to pile up again. A brain lacking essential raw materials cannot maintain its delicate membranes or flush out toxins efficiently, leading to that chronic feeling of brain fog. Understanding this cycle is the first step toward health. We must synchronize our diet with this nocturnal schedule to achieve the maximum cognitive benefit. The waste then drains into the body's main lymphatic system, eventually being processed by the liver and kidneys. It is a complete, full-body process. The quality of your sleep directly dictates the efficiency of this wash. If you interrupt your sleep, you are essentially turning off the water mid-cycle. By fueling this system correctly, we ensure that every hour of rest is used to its fullest potential, helping the mind manage today's mental fatigue and stress. The right superfoods provide the chemical soaps and solvents needed to target stubborn protein between your neurons, ensuring a clean slate for tomorrow. Now that we understand the mechanism, let us look at the specific fuel sources that will support this nighttime cleaning operation for your brain's health. Our first superfood group is the berries. These small fruits are packed with powerful pigments known as flavonoids, specifically anthocyanins and mangiferin. These compounds are unique because they can cross the blood-brain barrier, acting as an elite force of antioxidants that neutralize free radicals in the brain. Mangiferin specifically serves as a neuron shield, managing the oxidative stress that can lead to cell decline and the buildup of toxic metabolic debris. When you combine these berries with our second superfood, turmeric, you create a synergistic effect that significantly amplifies the brain's natural power. Turmeric contains curcumin, a legendary anti-inflammatory agent. Its ability to reach the brain makes it one of the most effective natural tools for neuroprotection. Curcumin acts like a natural solvent, helping to manage those stubborn protein plaques that the glymphatic system then easily flushes out into the bloodstream. Studies show that populations with a diet high in curcumin have significantly lower rates of cognitive decline, likely due to this consistent nightly benefit. Think of anthocyanins as the polish that keeps your neural connections efficient, ensuring that electrical signals travel without any resistance or delay. Inflammation is the hidden factor that fuels brain aging. Curcumin acts as a powerful regulator, cooling down the brain and allowing repair to begin. Incorporating these two into your daily routine provides a powerful 1-2 punch against the toxins that accumulate from the stress of modern living. Nature has provided these tools in their most potent forms. These colors are not just for show. They are the literal markers of brain-saving chemistry. By preparing your brain with these nutrients before sleep, you are ensuring that the glymphatic system has the most effective detergents to do its work. This is biohacking at its most natural. We are using the Earth's most ancient pharmacy to protect the most complex structure in the known universe. Remember, consistency is key. These nutrients build up in your system over time, creating a cumulative defense against the effects of neural inflammation. But our cleaning crew needs more than just soap. They need the materials to rebuild the walls. Let us move on to superfoods 3 and 4. The third superfood is fatty fish, specifically those rich in omega-3 fatty acids like DHA and EPA. These are the literal bricks of your brain. 60% of your brain is made of fat. Omega-3s are the structural engineers that support the repair of the walls of your neurons while you are asleep. Without enough omega-3, your cell membranes become stiff, making it harder for nutrients to enter and for waste products to be expelled efficiently. Superfood 4 is the group of dark leafy greens. Kale, spinach, and broccoli are the primary sources of two critical pigments, lutein and zeaxanthin. These pigments act as firefighters. They concentrate in the brain and eyes, shielding delicate tissues from the damaging effects of light and internal stress. Going to sleep without these antioxidants is like sending a firefighter into a building without a suit. Your brain remains vulnerable to oxidative stress. When you consume these fats and greens together, the healthy oils in the fish actually help your body absorb the fat-soluble lutein from the vegetables. This combination ensures that while the glymphatic system is washing the brain, the omega-3s are simultaneously supporting and reinforcing the neural architecture. A well-maintained myelin sheath allows for faster signal transmission, which translates directly to quicker thinking, better focus, and improved memory recall. Lutein also protects your macula and visual processing centers, ensuring that your brain can handle the visual data of the modern digital world. Think of this as the heavy-duty maintenance phase. If the berries were the soap, these are the high-quality replacement parts for your biological computer. We are promoting neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to form new connections and recover, which is most active during the hours of darkness. A brain rich in DHA and lutein is a brain that is resilient against the stresses of aging and the toxins of our daily modern environment. Omega-3s also help regulate the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which are essential for maintaining a stable, healthy mood. The chlorophyll and minerals in greens provide an alkalizing effect, reducing overall acidity and creating a better environment for brain detoxification. When your brain is no longer fighting inflammation, it can dedicate its energy to processing information and consolidating the memories you formed. This consolidation is why a healthy brain learns faster. You aren't just sleeping, you are organizing your life's library for easy access the next day. The results of this internal repair are felt the moment you open your eyes. The fog is gone, replaced by a sharp sense of mental clarity. But there is one more secret ingredient, and its timing is the most important piece of the entire puzzle. Let us look at the final superfood. The fifth superfood is the walnut. Nature left a clue in its shape. It is the ultimate food for your brain's rhythmic health and recovery. Walnuts are a rare plant source of melatonin, the hormone that tells your body it is time to sleep and activates the glymphatic cleaning cycle. By providing a natural boost of melatonin, walnuts help regulate your circadian rhythm, ensuring you fall into the deep sleep necessary for the cleaning. The golden hour for this superfood is approximately 2 hours before you intend to sleep. This gives your body time to process and signal the brain. Just a small handful is enough. You are sending a chemical signal to your internal cleaning crew to clock in and begin their night shift work. Walnuts also contain unique polyphenols that fight against brain rust, or the oxidative stress that accumulates from a long day of high-pressure mental work. Pairing walnuts with a light herbal tea creates a calming evening ritual that tells your nervous system it is finally safe to let go and recover. As you drift off, the melatonin from the walnuts acts as the master key, unlocking the gates of the glymphatic system for a deep, thorough rinse. It is remarkable how such a simple food can have such a profound impact on the most sophisticated biological system known to man. Nature is wise. When you align your eating habits with your biological clock, you stop fighting against your nature and start working with it for mental performance.
This is the final piece of the puzzle.
Now, let us look at how all these foods come together into a single, powerful protocol for your life. Long-term brain health is not the result of a single miracle. It is the accumulation of small, powerful choices you make every single day of your life. By incorporating berries, turmeric, fatty fish, leafy greens, and walnuts into your weekly diet, you are building a fortress of cognitive defense and vitality. Your brain is the most precious thing you own. It holds your memories, your personality, and your future. It deserves the best fuel you can provide. Every night is a new chance to start fresh. Every sleep is an opportunity for renewal. Do not let these precious hours go to waste. Start tonight. Choose one of these superfoods and make it a part of your evening. Your brain will thank you with years of clarity and sharp memory. I am your doctor, and it has been my honor to share these secrets with you. Knowledge is power, but only if you put it into practice. Stay curious, stay healthy, and never stop learning about the incredible power of your own body. Your journey to a better brain starts right now. Wishing you a peaceful, healing sleep and a morning filled with limitless clarity. Good night, and may your mind be as bright as the morning sun.